Okay, we're going to use Codap to make a comparative dot plot between two groups. We're going to use our classes data, so we're going to give it a good heading, 9AA dot plot for juggling ball scores, which was how close you could throw a juggling ball. And we're going to split the class based on whether they're flexible or not. And then we're going to compare which group did better at the juggling. So we've given a heading. Next we're going to choose our x-axis. That's going to be distance to target for your best throw. We could group these into bins, but we won't bother with that just yet since it's a dot plot. We're going to use Codap to split the data automatically into the yes or no, I can touch my toes. And that's going to be our flexible versus non-flexible group. Here's our median if we need it, and we can now discuss which group did better.